everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, got a lot of stuff to do today, but first we're going to start off with a little polybag set from a very long time ago. This one is 30002 from LEGO City and is released in 2009, which was quite a long time ago, and I'm going to be building it because I like to build polybag sets. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is going to be a very nice and simple little police boat. So first of all, we need this boat specific piece over here, sort of white hull piece, and another white hull piece like this, just 4 studs long. We're going to place them side by side, and we're going to get this 2x8 standard base plate in black. We're just going to stick that at the base here to join things all together. Now, to make this a police boat, we can add some blue stripes to it. So first of all, we need this sort of special triangular wedge piece, which goes at the front over here. We also need these 1x6 base plates in blue, and we're going to stick them on either side like so. And at the back, we're going to stick this 1x4 base plate in blue as well. Now at the front, we're going to stick this special roof tile piece over here. This rather tall roof tile piece, we're going to stick that over here at the front, and we're going to stick this this little clip element piece onto one side over here. That's going to hold a little lamp later on. Now, turning this to the back over here, we're going to get this side attachment plate in white, and we're going to add some details to it. So first of all, a light grey grill piece over here, and some light grey tubular pieces, cones, whatever, at the back over here. And this is going to be the thrusters, propellers, jet engines, whatever that's gonna be making this boat move. So now we need some small roof tile pieces here done in white as well. Just stick one on here and another one over here, and we're gonna get this engine specific piece as well, a special slope piece with little engine details here. I'm gonna place that over here at the back, and we will also need this light grey piece over here, which is a handle. We're going to stick that over here so we can control the thing later on. Now at the back as well, we're going to attach this special barrier element piece done in white with some space for some studs on top as well. We're going to stick that at the back over here, and on top of that, I'm going to attach this 1x4 standard base plate in white as well. Now that's going to be holding our sirens, but first of all, we need to attach some stuff over here. So we need these little clip bar element pieces. We're going to place them on this handle over here, and these are going to be these little control levers for steering this boat. And what else do we need? Okay, so we need some sirens and flashing lights. So we're going to be using these light blue tiles. Well, actually, these trans blue tiles. Hopefully, which can stick on top of here. I've got this from quite a long time ago. And we also need this dark tinted panel piece over here. That's going to be a little windshield at the front here. Now, do we have anything else to do? Yes, we do. So first of all, we need to make a little lamp. So we're going to be using this special handle piece, a little yellow stud stuck on the front of that. Stick that there, shine the light, the guiding light on this wonderful police boat. And all we have left to do now is to make the minifigure, because this does come with a minifigure. Yes, I almost forgot about it. So first of all, we need some black legs. I'm just going to assemble this minifigure pretty quickly, and then we'll have a look at his details later on. But let's just stand him over here, his butt over there, and there we've done it. So there we go, our little polybag set is complete. So let's first have a look closer up at our police officer over here, which is a sort of sailor, I suppose, as well, since he is come with this boat. He has this sort of white cap on top of his head, and his face has some blue/black sunglasses over there, with a beard going around the edges here as well. The front of his torso over here has a golden police badge. Looks like an outdoor coat for a police officer with some dark grey gloves, some plain black legs. And around the back over here, we have some more plain black too. And as for the boat over here, we can fit space for two minifigures, one in the front and one at the back. There is space for that if you just move the levers a little bit like that. and just works simply as a Lego police boat. Feel free to steal this design for your own little boats. I might also imagine this if we take this off. Imagine this as a little sort of speedboat as well. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show more in the future. I hope they inspired you, and until next time, happy building!